Hey YouTube, this is Abdel Carfix, and this is Mercedes 2010. It is the C300 with the 3.0 liter engine with 6-cylinder. We're doing the spark plugs on it, guys, and make sure the spark plugs on those let it cool down a little bit, but get them out when it's kind of a little warm, because when it was cold they don't want to budge. Once I warm the motor a little bit, I was able to get them out, no problem, easy. So basically, guys, we have a T30 right here, T30, and you got 2 bolts on each coil. See, there's one here, which these are already dead, and here, and I have a trouble getting them out. But then I warmed the engine, and then after that they went smooth. So T30, you get a T30 and you get them out. Release, there's a tab right here. See that tab? You release it and you pull the harness, and then you pull the plugs. The plug's gonna fight you a little bit, so you need to turn them a couple of times. They'll come out, but they're gonna fight you. So once you get those bolts tied up there, take them out, and then you can get the plug out. And it's a symbol. Just use a 5/8 socket and ratchet. I like this one because it's magnet. This guy has 168,000 miles on this car. Never change the spark plugs, guys. This is what they look like. This is what it looked like. Looks horrible. Never been changed before. According to him, he owned the car since he was 30,000 miles, and he never had anything done on it. Young guy, and did not take care of this car. So we're doing this. They start missing fire on very much 5 cylinders, and I asked him if you have done tune-up or anything. He said he never done anything on this car. So we're starting with these plugs, and then we'll go from there. It's simple, guys. Like I said, this is the other side I haven't done. T30. Take these 2 bolts, unhook that little tab, pull the this guy out, and then you pull the plug. Once you pull the plug, use 5/8 socket and ratchet. Pull the plug out. Put the new one in. I'm using Bosch double platinum. That's what we're using for it. That's what it calls for. That's what the original plugs for it. That's what we're gonna do. If you like my video, please thumb up on that. If you like my channel, please subscribe to it. I would greatly appreciate that. I will keep coming with these videos. But again, I'll mention this again. When they're cold, it's very hard to even turn those plugs. Warm up the engine a little bit, and then they should come out no problem. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.